Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shiny, and how you doing? Please let me know in the comment section. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, this is Shiny. I make videos related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle and vlogs. So today I'm here to share with you guys my honest review about Nykaa Brow Chica Wow Eyebrow Pencil. So if you want to know what I feel about it and all my review, then please keep on watching. Before starting the review, just wanted to tell you that this is a non-sponsored video. Obviously Nykaa haven't paid me any money to make this video. So let's start with the packaging. So this is the packaging in which it comes in the staple pink cardboard packaging of Nykaa. It is only available in online Nykaa stores or maybe in the offline stores. So and if you take the actual product out, this is how the product looks like. It's a color coordinated packaging, and it comes with the inbuilt spoolies, which is a great thing. This is how the spoolie looks like. So a good point is that you need not to use separate spoolie while doing your eyebrows. This is not in a retractable form, this is in a pencil form. This is how it looks like. The drawback which I feel about this product, because it's in pencil form, it does not come with its own sharpener. So by which I mean you have to go ahead and buy a separate sharpener to just sharpen it. The cap is pretty much decently tight, so which makes this product very much travel friendly, because if you are putting it in your bag it won't like spill all over, so it's travel friendly for sure. They give 1.8 grams of product for rupees 399, which I think is quite affordable. Three claims that it does: not tested in animals, paraben free and dermatologically tested. Apart from the fact that it's been manufactured in Europe, it gives a big thumbs up from my side. Only available in one shade, which is brown in color, known as Coven Cocoa 01, and this is the hand swatch of the product. This is how the hand swatch looks like. Claims that this product does is that it's a smudge proof formula. It would be last for 8 good hours, and also it would be give you a precise application. Now when it comes about precise application, it does not comes with its own sharpener, right? So you can see how the nip of this pen looks like, right? So if you are like, if a product is claiming that it would help you for precise application, that does mean you are also supposed to give something which will make the tip precise, right? So I am not very much okay or very much accepting the fact that they are claiming to be very precise during application. Claim that it does is that it comes with natural oxidants, which is a good thing. We were discussing about the claims it does, then what exactly it will look to you when you bought it. But now comes to my part. It's, when I swatched it in front of you, you saw that it's, again I am doing it, it's very smooth. Can you just see? It's very smooth, it's very smooth, very smooth. It's very creamy, it's very pigmented, which is, according to me, an eyebrow product should not be. So I don't know why they have made this product so much pigmented and so much creamy, that like it's so. And if you talk about smudge proof, see, it smudges. So the smudge thing is something which I am not supporting. With that, I am not liking this product because of so smooth and creamy and pigmented texture. An eyebrow product is supposed to be waxy so that you do not go overboard with it, or else if you have also gone overboard with it, you can just remove the mistakes that you have done. So for beginners, I won't recommend this product, and I will also not use this product for doing my eyebrows in near future. But if you are someone who is pro at making eyebrows and want to have pigmented eyebrows because of having sparse eyebrows, you can surely give this product a try. But guys, my review about this pretty baby over here. See, I'm not bashing Nykaa as a brand. I love this brand because I have used a lot more products, like their lipsticks I'm in love with, their foundation I'm in love with, but this is a product which does not work for me. It's possible that you are someone who is liking this product. You can comment down below and let me know. but for me this product haven't worked, so I won't recommend it to beginners like me. So yes, hope you guys like this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also share this video with your friends, family, so that they can have an idea about this product. Meet you guys next time. Till then, you all take care and stay beautiful, because that's the most beautiful thing that you can do to yourself.